Have you ever wondered what connects Russia, France, and a delicious salad? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating history of Olivier Salad. Yes, that delectable dish that's been gracing tables for generations. So subscribe, grab a seat, and let's uncover the mysteries behind this culinary marvel. Picture this: the frosty air of 19th century Moscow swirling with whispers of culinary ambition. In the heart of this bustling city stood the illustrious Hermitage restaurant, helmed by the enigmatic Belgian chef Lucien Olivier. But what unfolded within those hallowed kitchen walls would change the course of culinary history forever. Legend has it that Lucien Olivier, a culinary virtuoso with a flair for the extravagant, crafted a masterpiece shrouded in secrecy. A dish so divine it left diners spellbound and craving more. This culinary symphony, known only to a select few, bore the name Olivier Salad. But what made it so special, you ask? Ah, my friends, therein lies the mystery. The exact ingredients of Lucien Olivier's original creation remain shrouded in secrecy, much like the recipe for a legendary elixir. Some say it boasted the finest caviar, while others whisper of succulent game birds, all dressed in a sauce so tantalizing it danced on the palate. Word of Olivier's culinary marvel spread like wildfire, drawing diners from far and wide to experience its magic. Hermitage became a haven for Epicureans, where every bite held the promise of gastronomic bliss. And thus the legend of Olivier Salad was born, a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of Lucien Olivier. As the winds of change swept through Moscow's culinary landscape, so too did the fate of Olivier Salad. With each passing year, the recipe evolved, adapting to the tastes and traditions of its newfound admirers. But it wasn't long before Olivier Salad caught the eye of a certain culinary capital: Paris. French chefs, renowned for their creativity, embraced this exotic dish with open arms, adding their own geniuses quite to the mix. From the bustling streets of New York City to the tranquil villages of Italy, Olivier Salad transcended borders and boundaries, becoming a beloved staple on tables far and wide. Peas replaced caviar, chicken substituted game birds, and that mysterious sauce, well, let's just say it became less cloak and dagger and more mayo-based. And when it comes to Olivier Salad, there's no shortage of heated debates and differing opinions. Picture it: a lavish banquet in Tsarist Russia, where nobles and socialites gather to feast on the finest delicacies. Amidst the opulence, a debate rages on: what truly defines an authentic Olivier Salad? On one side, we have the purists, staunch defenders of tradition, who swear by the original recipe of Lucien Olivier. To them, any deviation from the sacred formula is sacrilege. On the other side, we find the innovators, daring souls who embrace change and experimentation. To them, Olivier Salad is a canvas waiting to be painted with bold flavors and creative twists. But amidst the clashing opinions and culinary clashes, one thing remains certain: Olivier Salad continues to spark conversation and ignite taste buds around the world. Now let me tell you the reasons why Olivier Salad holds a special place in our culinary affections. For beyond its tantalizing taste lies a deeper connection, a shared experience that brings joy to tables around the world. Imagine the scene: a bustling kitchen filled with laughter and chatter as families and friends come together to prepare a feast. Amidst the hustle and bustle, one dish stands out: a vibrant bowl of Olivier Salad, brimming with memories and shared stories. Olivier Salad isn't just a dish, it's a symbol of togetherness, a culinary bridge that connects us across generations and cultures. Whether it's a cherished family recipe or a newfound favorite at a potluck, this salad has a way of bringing people closer. And let's not forget its versatility. Olivier Salad isn't bound by culinary rules. It's a canvas waiting to be adorned with your favorite ingredients. From crispy bacon to tangy pickles, the possibilities are endless. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say the pickle in the salad? Yes, despite its widespread popularity, Olivier Salad still has its fair share of detractors. Picture this: a motley crew of food enthusiasts gathered to sample a medley of culinary delights. Amidst the gastronomic adventure, Olivier Salad makes its grand entrance, eliciting a range of reactions, from rapturous applause to raised eyebrows. So, what's the beef, chicken, some folks have with Olivier Salad? Well, it's a tale as old as time, fraught with culinary quirks and personal preferences. For starters, let's talk about the calorie conundrum. While Olivier Salad may be a feast for the taste buds, it's no lightweight in the calorie department. Some health-conscious eaters may balk at its indulgent ingredients, opting for lighter fare instead. And then there are the pickles, the divisive ingredient that sparked many a spirited debate. For some, their tangy crunch adds a delightful twist to the salad, while others prefer to keep their cucumbers far, far away from their greens. So whether you're a picky eater or a calorie counter, Remember that culinary preferences are as varied as the ingredients in Olivier Salad. After all, it takes all kinds of taste to make the world flavorful. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Olivier Salad, from Moscow's elite to kitchen tables worldwide. So, the next time you indulge in this culinary delight, remember the rich tapestry of history woven into every bite. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep sharing those food stories. Bon appetit!